MS 11 1812. The house is under repair and they removed the tiles from the steps only to find that it was padded with sand. So if you look at these steps here, are these safe enough? So this is the actual precast step, as they call it, and now they're removing all the cement, all the cement that was put in as a mud pack. So everything in this is a mud pack. Now once they finish removing the mud pack, then we would know what it looks like. So this is the original step and they removed the mud pack. It's just a shame to find a house that cost 4 million pesos was built in such a haphazard manner. Now the steps have been reduced to almost half. That's not a problem actually. I would prefer it that way rather than have a mud pack like that. Look at that mud pack. It's almost half the size of the step. And because of that, what they put on the steps, so when we were going up, my son used to hit his head there, you see, because there was no proper space between the steps and that landing over there. But once they remove the mud pack there also, it's going to be normal. So here we go again. These are the steps after they remove the mud pack, the original steps.